Top 3 Best Free English Speaking Practice Apps. Have you ever found yourself wanting to speak English confidently, but not sure where to start? What if you could open an app, start a real conversation, get instant feedback, and feel your speaking improve week after week? Now, with the right tools, you can. Today, I'm counting down the top 3 best free English speaking practice apps, how they work, what they're great at, their limitations, and who they're best for. Number 3. Talk English, English Speaking Practice. This app focuses on helping you practice spoken English and conversational phrases. You'll find interactive lessons dedicated to speaking and listening, and the design is simple enough for beginners. On the plus side, it's free to download and gives you plenty of exercises to build your confidence, especially if you are just starting out. The downside? While basic conversation practice is free, more advanced content may be locked behind in-app purchases, and the app mostly gives scripted dialogues rather than open chat practice. The ideal user, someone who wants to begin speaking English, follow structured practice, and build up their skill without jumping straight into live conversation. Number 2. Hello Talk. If you're ready for open-ended speaking practice and want to talk with real people, this app is a strong choice. It connects you with native English speakers and learners of other languages in a language exchange environment. The major advantage? You can send voice messages, join voice chat rooms, get correction from native speakers, and really start practicing real conversation, not just scripted drills. The trade-off: because you're interacting with people, the quality depends on who you connect with, and you'll need to overcome some hesitation to speak. It's less structured than a formal lesson, so if you prefer guided tasks, this may feel more open. The ideal user: someone who has some basic speaking ability and wants to sharpen their conversational skills, gain authenticity, and practice live. Number 1. Elsa Speak. This app takes the top spot because it blends structured training with powerful speaking feedback. You'll have short dialogues, real-life conversation, role plays, and instant AI feedback on pronunciation, fluency, and stress patterns. The big advantage? You get detailed feedback on how you speak, not just what you say. That means faster improvement and more confidence. The downside: while there is a free tier, some of the most advanced modules are paid. Also, speaking practice alone won't make you fluent. It complements conversation, not replaces it. The ideal user: someone serious about improving their spoken English, especially pronunciation and clarity, and willing to spend a few minutes a day on focused training. So how should you pick the best one? If you're brand new to spoken English and want a simple place to begin, go with Talk English. If you're comfortable with basic conversation and ready to chat with real people, Hello Talk gives you freedom and connection. If you want high-quality feedback, rapid improvement, and polished speaking skills, Elsa Speak offers the best path. Here's what really matters: whatever app you choose, consistency is key. Open it daily, speak out loud, record your voice, listen back. Yes, you'll feel awkward at first, but that's exactly how improvement happens. Set a small goal, say 5 minutes of speaking practice each day, and build from there. Real speaking happens when you are forced to use the language, not just read or listen to it. Another tip: combine your app with real-life speaking opportunities. Talk to a friend in English, join a voice chat, record yourself telling a story, or even talk to your reflection. The apps are your training zone. Your everyday life is your stage. Now, you have no excuse not to speak English with more confidence. The tools are in your phone. The only missing piece is your commitment. Try one of these apps this week. Speak out loud, challenge yourself, and track your progress. Choose your app, open it today, and say something in English. Capture it, listen back, and celebrate your improvement. Your voice matters, and your speaking ability will grow if you treat it like a habit. And don't forget to check the description for tools and helpful links that can make things easier for you. If you found this helpful, give it a like, and subscribe for more.